How to make an easy to make tomato soup. For this recipe you'll be needing tomatoes, 1 carrot, 1 potato, preferably 2 onions, a small can of tomato paste and 1 leek. Put some oil or butter in a pot and add the chopped onions and potato. Stir them on a medium fire until you see the onion getting glazed. It will look something like this. Then add the chopped carrots and leeks and stir another 5 minutes on medium fire. Now add the tomatoes in pieces and stir for a while until it starts boiling. Add spices. I used salt, pepper, paprika powder, thyme, oregano, 1 chicken stock cube and laurel leaves. Let that boil and then add 1 liter water and let it boil again. Take out your laurel leaves. It's always handy to count how many you put in so you know how many to get out. Take your hand blender and blend to your liking. Now add the small can of tomato paste and stir. Now you are done and ready to serve. Bon appetit, hope you try it out. I made this video for you, so please give me a like, a subscribe and a comment below so I know if I am doing a good job and can continue. Thank you.